Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are doing a mukbang with my mom. She has.
Okay. I have shrimp with tartar sauce and a shrimp spicy noodle soup. Noodle. And then we have some orange soda.
And then I have a small pizza, took a bite out of it. And then I have a soda. And I took a sip of that too.
Okay. Let's get over more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's get started because we're really hungry.
Yes.
It's lunchtime. Mmm. I want to try seafood boil.
Ew.
But lobster.
Oh, I need to tell you guys, if you're getting a lot of rain, we're getting a lot of rain, for real.
Mm-hmm.
But it's been like going real fast and like stopping and then going away. So that's good. We're barbecuing today, but we have, if it rains, we have that blue thing to get under. I don't know about the barbecue pit. It's not under something.
I've never tried this soup. It's like in the Asian aisle.
Well, you better eat it all.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it looks good. It smells really good.
It smells spicy.
No, it smells good to me. I smell shrimp. I just want to taste that.
Oh, that's not plain. And it's really shrimpy.
Oh.
Yeah, today I was just meeting her because Dad went shooting.
Oh, yes.
He got a new gun for Father's Day. And
So he didn't get nothing. But we still got him something like food and, he's back.
so I said, you know what, yeah, go shooting. This is Father's Day weekend. SJ went with him, of course.
And I saw a video, and the video is so weird. Inside, there's like a man who shoot. It's a fake one.
Mm-hmm.
It's like metal. It's really weird. I can tell him who is SJ because they haven't known.
Mm-hmm. They know SJ's my son.
But he bothers a lot. And I want to do a video about like squishy food versus real food, switching up real food versus nasty food, and all that stuff we're going to do. We just had only a little bit of videos, but she has a lot. I need to start making mine.
Yes,
Stop showing the camera. And I want to do a room tour. But I don't know about my brothers.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we could barbecue right now. Look. Ew.
You gotta wait for your dad.
How long you stay there?
I need a little bit longer.
Go down, you guys. Let's see if it's cloudy, if it's the rain. It's definitely going to rain.
It's still cloudy?
Yes, it's still cloudy. But the windows are kind of dark, so I don't know if it's that dark because the windows are like really dark.
I don't really know how I feel about this noodle. Kind of tastes like shrimp.
Because you're eating shrimp, it tastes like the shrimp is still in your breath and you taste it.
But this is shrimp flavor.
Ew. So you have both shrimp.
Ooh, I'm gonna smell fishy.
You may do.
And I'm still sick. I don't know if I said that.
No, the clouds are going over there. Like there's like a lot of wind.
And she's scared of rain.
But the clouds are going over there. I'm not scared of rain. I'm scared of thunder.
Thunder, thunder. So this past week I broke out in like hives. I don't know if I think they're hives. Like, I don't know if it's the lotion I used because it's like on my legs and my arms where I do put lotion. And it's like so bad. So I'm trying not to put nothing on it.
Does it taste good?
Mm-mm.
No fish in it. Then why are you eating it?